everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some editing tips that you're going to want to know about if you're starting a YouTube channel. Editing can take a lot of time, so it's a good idea to start every video with a template instead of always starting from scratch. So today, I'll show you the templates that I use, and then I'll walk through exactly how you can create your own. So let's get started. So I'll start off with showing you the templates that I have and how I set them up. I made an event and just called it templates. And then in the event, I have them all here as projects. So I have my travel one, I have one for my tech videos, and I'll click on the travel one so you can see what it looks like. And here it is. It's pretty much just a project that already has everything in it that I need. So I have my end screen in here, the music that I use all the time, arrows, text, transition screens, it's all in here. So when I start a new video, all of this work is already done. So for example, say I just went to Maine and need to make a new travel video, I'd go to File, New Event, rename it, and then when I go into it, instead of using this blank project, I'd go to my templates, right click on it and duplicate it, drag it to the event and then rename it. So instead of starting with this project with nothing in it, I'd start from here, which has all this stuff already added. So I delete that blank project since I'm not going to use it. And then I'll add my footage to this one and finish editing. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and those are some tips on how to edit faster in Final Cut Pro. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and for all the other videos in this series, check out the playlist linked in the description below, and I'll see you next week.